Good morning. Today let us study about the law of diminishing marginal utility propounded by Alfred Marshall. This law states that as the consumer goes on consuming a commodity one after the another without giving the time interval, the satisfaction level of a consumer goes on diminishing or decreasing. This law can be explained with the help of a table and a diagram. Let us write about the table. Now here the number of units of consumption. Units of consumption. And here the marginal utility. Now the units of measuring the satisfaction level according to Marshall is utils. We can call it as an utils also. Now when our consumer consumed the first commodity 1, he got the satisfaction of 50, and without giving the time interval he consumed the second commodity that gave the satisfaction of 40 units. Now the third unit of the consumption gave the consumer 30 units of satisfaction, and when the fourth commodity was consumed it gave him the 20 units of satisfaction. Fifth commodity gave him the 10 units of satisfaction, and again he consumed the sixth commodity, then he got the satisfaction of 0. And forcefully if he consumed the seventh commodity, then he got the satisfaction of -10, means he did not get any satisfaction. It shows that this table explains that as the consumer goes on consuming the commodity one after the another without giving the time interval, then the marginal utility went on decreasing and up to the minus level. So it can be explained with the help of the diagram also. We shall draw the diagram. Now coming to the diagram, if we draw the diagram, here we can draw the diagram. Yes. Diagram. You see here on OX axis and OY axis. Here OX axis and it is OY axis. Here the 7 commodities that our consumer has consumed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the units of consumption. Units of consumption. And here marginal utility. Now on OX axis we are measuring the units of consumption, whereas on OY axis we are measuring the marginal utility. If we see that here the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now see here when our consumer, according to the table, when our consumer consumed the first commodity, he got the satisfaction of 50. Put a dot here. And when he consumed the second commodity, then it gave the satisfaction of 40. You see here 40. And when he consumed the third, he got the satisfaction of 30. You see here 30. Here it is 30. And when he consumed the fourth apple, he got the satisfaction of 20. You see here 20. And again when he consumed the fifth apple, he got the units of 10. See here it is 10. When he consumed the sixth apple, you see here the satisfaction is 0 means he didn't get any satisfaction. So here we can see that on the sixth apple the satisfaction is 0, that is on the OY axis. And further, if our consumer consumes the next commodity, that is the seventh commodity, he got the satisfaction of -10. So it goes below the OX axis here. You see this one. Here -10. Seventh one is here 10. -10. Now if we draw the diagram, if we put a line, if we combine all these lines, we get a curve. We get a curve, that is, this is a point of satiety. Point of satiety we call it. Here it is the marginal utility curve. You see here up to this level, here -10, here again -20. So from this diagram we can come to know that as the consumer goes on consuming more and more of the commodity of the same size, same quality, same price and all the things, means here it is giving the negative utility. Here the negative utility can be shown below the OX axis. So this is the explanation of the law of diminishing marginal utility. We have some exceptions and assumptions are also there. Exemptions we'll study in the next class. Thank you.